Welcome back, grade 4. Today during social studies, we're going to be continuing our talk on the economy of the Arab world. Economy is the relationship between production, trade, and the supply of money in a particular country or region. And it is the part of a society that creates wealth. Wealth is not just money. Wealth comes from the production of goods and services which people buy with money. Economy also relates to how resources are allocated to meet people's needs and wants. The production and consumption of goods and services are used to fulfill the needs of those living and operating within it. As a result, natural resources such as minerals, soil, climate, and water affect the economy in any country. For example, if a country has a good climate for growing food, it can produce extra food and sell it to other countries. A country with many minerals can also export or sell them to other countries. In addition, human resources, which take into consideration the efficiency and qualifications of the workforce and its contribution to scientific research, can be another important factor that can affect the economy. For example, a country with many skilled scientific researchers can help to create medicines for better health care. A country with many skilled construction workers can build strong architecture to last for many years. Last lesson, we learned about different minerals that are found in the Arab world and what they are used for. In this lesson, we will focus on the plants and animals that are found in the Arab world. Agriculture is the art and science of cultivating the soil, growing crops, and raising livestock. It includes the preparation of plant and animal products for people to use and their distribution to markets. Agriculture provides most of the world's food and fabrics. Agriculture makes up 50% of the income in the Arab world. About half of the workforce in the Arab world, about half of the people that work in agriculture. Countries that have rich, fertile soil, an abundance of water resources, a temperate climate, and a large human workforce are the agricultural countries. Here you can see where the fruits, cotton, dates, rice, and olives would be grown with the little pictures, and you can see in which countries they will be grown in. So dates are in, Saudi Arabia, Yemen, Egypt, Algeria, Morocco. Cotton in Morocco, cotton in Egypt, cotton in the Sudan, cotton in Somalia and Iraq and Syria. We have fruits in Morocco and Algeria, some in Lebanon, Palestine, Jordan, and Syria. Rice, we have nowhere. Yep, I'm sorry, Egypt and Syria. And then we have olive. Let's see, we have Palestine, Jordan, a little in Libya, some in Tunisia, Algeria, Morocco. The map on the previous slide shows some of the important plants in the Arab world that are a part of the economy. What can we learn from this map? And what countries produce what things? There is a great diversity of agricultural products in the Arab world owing to the variations of climate and soil. For example, Saudi Arabia and Iraq have a desert climate, which is considered ideal for producing dates. The soil, climate, and abundance, or lots of water in Egypt, are the ideal conditions for producing the best cotton in the world. This variation of agricultural products can lead to economic integration. Economic integration is a plan between two or more countries according to which each country produces a different product than the others, and then these countries can exchange what they have produced. For example, Saudi Arabia produces dates and Lebanon produces fruits and vegetables. The two countries help to meet each other's needs by exchanging products. Economic integration leads to self-sufficiency within the Arab world. Self-sufficiency within the Arab world means to not have to rely on other countries outside of the Arab world. Arab countries can exchange products with each other to meet each other's needs. This kind of cooperation could make this region of the Arab world economically strong. Arab countries also raise livestock or animals for human use. For example, chickens, camels, cows, goats, and sheep. These animals are raised to provide the people with meat, eggs, leather, and dairy products such as cheese, yogurt, and butter. Fishing is also an important industry since many countries of the Arab world have long water boundaries, meaning that they are beside large bodies of water. What can we learn from the map on the next slide? Which animals are raised in each country? Look at the different countries, and we ask the students to talk about this in class. Here we have another map, and again, we see camels, sheep, cows, and goats here, and you can see exactly, the North Sudan has a lot of cows, a lot of sheep, a little bit of camels. Okay, lots of sheep in Morocco, some sheep in Algeria. We have goats in the Sudan, goats in Iraq, and things like that. So you can see where each country is strong. And that's the end of the social studies lesson for today. You can use this information to answer your Google Forms a little bit later, and we'll be back with you again real soon.